Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the investing.com application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. In order to download the investing.com application, first of all open up the Google Play Store on your device and then tap on the search box and then type and search investing.com. Once you find the investing.com stock market application, go ahead and tap on the install button. This will now begin the download and installation of the investing.com application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then once the installation is done, you will see the open button. Go ahead and tap on the open button, and this will now open up the investing.com application where you can sign up or log in to your account to start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the investing.com application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.